Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide Gemini button in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Then in the search bar, you have to search your Advanced. Click on this. Now scroll down. Here you can see Gemini in Messages. Press on this. If you want to hide your Gemini button, you just have to turn up this button. That's it. So this is how to hide Gemini button in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.